Hi guys, with this particular strategy, I generate $10,000 every month trading step index on 4-hour time frame. Now, let me show you the secret behind this particular strategy and how I keep generating not less than $10,000 every month with this particular strategy on step index on 4-hour time frame. Now, you need only MACD indicator and moving average. These are only two things you need to do to record massive profit trading step index on 4-hour time frame. Now, this is how I make this particular strategy. Now, for my screen now, you will see the MACD section and the chart section. Now, the crossing here, look at this crossing here. Now, when the crossing occur from the side of a MACD, that is what, if the crossing is from up downward, that is what a sell signal. Now, there is one condition on this. That is what one condition on this. Look at this crossing here from up downward, which shows that it is what a sell signal. Now, there is one condition here. The candlestick must be below the moving average. Do you understand? The candlestick must be below the moving average while the crossing occur in the side of MACD indicator. Now, the next thing is where to make your entry. Now, once you notice the crossing here, once you notice the crossing from the side of MACD indicator, your entry should be where the market retraces back to the moving average. So on my screen now, you see the crossing. This is the point where the crossing occur from the side of MACD indicator, which shows a sell signal, provided the candlesticks are below moving average. Now, once this condition is met, this is what a clear signal. Now, for sell signal, this is what a sell signal. Now, your entry should be, this is the candlestick where the crossing occur here. Now, you wait once the market retraces back to the moving average. The point where it retraces back to the moving average, that is your entry point. Do you understand? So at this point, this is where the candlestick retraces back to the moving average, and this is what a huge profit for you. Do you understand? All right, now let me come again. This is what I mean. Look at the crossing from the side of MACD. The crossing occur from up downward, which shows a sell signal. But before you count it as a confirmed sell signal, the candlesticks must be below the moving average. Do you understand? All right. So in this case, this candlestick where the crossing occur, which is below the moving average. Now, your entry should be when the market retraces back to the moving average. Look at the retracement here. So once the candlestick retraces back to the moving average, that is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. So you make your sell entry at this point and record the massive profit, as easy as that. Do you understand? So we make use of MACD for our signal. Do you understand? So once the crossing occur, now let me show you. Let's put this is a huge profit. So provided the MACD is still down, or the point where the market retraces back to the moving average are your potential entries. Now this is another point here where the candlestick traces back to the moving average. Look at this point here where the candlestick retraces back to the moving average. This is what a opportunity for you to do what? Make another sell entry and record the massive profit. Do you understand? All right, now let's proceed. Now look at this point. Look at this crossing here. The MACD crosses from up downwards. As you can see, this is the crossing here. This is the crossing from the side of your MACD. This is the point where MACD crosses. Are you seeing it? This is the point where MACD crosses from up downward, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So you don't enter immediately. Now you wait for the market to retraces back to the moving average, and that is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. This is the point where you need to do what? Make your sell entry, and this is what a huge profit for you. Do you understand? As easy as that. All right, now let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now this is the correction of MACD from down upward. This is what a clear buy signal. This is what a clear buy signal. Like as I said, for you to count it as a confirmed signal, if it is buying, the candlestick where the crossing occur must be above moving average. As you can see, the candlestick is what? Above moving average. Do you understand? Now, once the correction occur, the next thing for your entry is where the market retraces, back to the moving average, as you can see. So the point where the retracement occur, look at where the candle touches the moving average, and that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry, and this is what a huge profit. Have you seen it? So the point where the market retraces back to the moving average, you make your buy entry here, and this is what a huge profit. As easy as that. All right, now let's proceed. Now this point, this is where this is another correction here. So as you can see here now, the MACD crosses from up downward, which signifies a sell signal. Now, how do you know that this is a confirmed sell signal? It's because the candlesticks are below moving average. The candlesticks are below moving average. So this is the correction of MACD, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur, which is below moving average. So you allow the market to retrace it back to the moving average. So once the market retraces back to the moving average, you make your what? Sell entry. Do you understand? Now this is another point. All these points where the market retraces back to the moving average, all these are what? Potential sell entries for you. Do you understand? All right, and this is what a huge profit, as you can see. All right, now at this point the market crosses again. Look at these points. Look at where the MACD crosses from down upward. This is what a clear buy signal. Now how do you know that is a clear buy signal? Because the point at which MACD crosses, the candlestick is what? Above moving average. As you can see, the candlestick is what? Above moving average. So this is what a confirmed buy signal. So once the correction occur, we allow the market to bounce back on the moving average. So this is the retracement. It retraces back to the moving average, and that is the point where you need to do what? Make your buy entry, and this is what a huge profit for you, as easy as that. Like as I said, every month I generate nothing less than $10,000 with this particular strategy, trading step index on 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? All right, now let's proceed. Now all this where the market retraces back to the moving average, you have potential entry. This is another potential entry. This is what? Another potential entry. All right, at this point the market, the MACD crosses again downwards. Now as you can see now, the MACD crosses from up downward, which shows what? A sell signal. So how do we confirm that is a sell signal? The candlesticks must be below, the candlestick where the correction occur must be below moving average. This is the candlestick, and it is what? Below moving average. That is the first point. So once this condition is met, now we allow the candlestick to trace back to the moving average. So once it traces back to the moving average, that's where we need to do what? Make our sell entry, and this is what a huge profit, as easy as that. So guys, like as I said, I have been generating a lot of profits with this particular strategy. I make nothing less than $10,000 on monthly basis, trading step index on 4-hour time frame with this particular strategy. Do you understand? All right, now let me show you how to set up the indicator. Let me show you how to set up the indicator. Now this is how what the parameters, so you can write it down or you screenshot it. So this is the moving average. Here what the parameters for moving average. What parameters for moving average? The period is 50, shift 0, method smoothing, apply to close. the style 4pz, color is blue. Do you understand? That is for moving average. All right, now the next one is MACD. Here what the parameters for MACD indicator. The fast EMA is 26, slow EMA is 50, MACD XMA is 2, apply to close. So here what the style, main 4pz, color green, signal 4pz, color red. So that's all you need to do was set up the MACD indicator. Do you understand? So that's all you need. Once you are done, go and do what? Make massive profit. Like as I said, I have enjoyed a lot of profit with this particular strategy. You understand? So don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit, and change your trading history for good. Thank you.